Well, as you saw, virgins can fly. She's right down there on the bottom board. Right there. All the way down on the bottom. She's right in the shade, so you're probably not going to be able to see her till I reach down in there and get her. And there is the queen that we were looking for last hour. Always, always have your queen cage ready. Alright, we're going to put this hive back together. And I'm going to go down here and do the exact same thing we did earlier. Spit on this queen and give her to a hive that the queen did not make it back. Well, we're going to try it Kent Williams' way. Just going to let her walk out on the frame. Come on out of there, you're in the tube. You immediately know there's a queen up there. I think we'll help this poor girl out because she's not been out very long. Another way to find them when you're looking for them is when they've, good Lord, these girls glue everything together. Alright, now let's can't get that frame out so we can see what's going on. There we go. Maybe I didn't disturb them too bad and they blame her and kill her. Yep, right there she is. Be nice, that's your new mama. Well, I'm going to close her up and say that she's accepted. Gotta come back and give this hive a frame of brood.